Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're a content creator looking to earn money from your videos, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will show you how to maximize your YouTube earnings with automatic monetization. So, let's dive in. YouTube offers various ways to monetize your videos and earn money. One of the most convenient options is automatic monetization. Automatic monetization allows YouTube to automatically place ads on your videos, without you having to manually enable them. This ensures that your videos are always eligible for ads, and you can start earning money right away. To enable automatic monetization, go to your YouTube Studio and navigate to the Monetization tab. Here, you can review the eligibility requirements and enable automatic monetization for your channel. Once enabled, YouTube will automatically place ads on your videos based on their content and your audience. But simply enabling automatic monetization is not enough. To maximize your earnings, you need to optimize your video content for ads. This includes creating high-quality videos with engaging content that attracts viewers and keeps them watching. The longer viewers stay on your videos, the more ads they are likely to see, which can result in higher earnings. Another crucial factor in optimizing your video content for ads is choosing the right keywords. Keywords are words or phrases that describe the content of your video and help YouTube understand what your video is about. By using relevant and popular keywords in your video title, description, and tags, you can increase the chances of your video appearing in search results and recommended videos, leading to more views and potential ad revenue. In addition to optimizing your video content, you can also increase your revenue potential by promoting your videos on other platforms. Share your videos on social media, embed them on your website or blog, and collaborate with other content creators to expand your reach and attract more viewers. The more viewers you have, the more ad impressions you can generate, which can translate into higher earnings. And that's it. By enabling automatic monetization, optimizing your video content for ads, and promoting your videos, you can maximize your YouTube earnings effortlessly. Remember to keep creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience to build a loyal following and increase your revenue potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks on YouTube earnings. In conclusion, YouTube automatic monetization is a powerful tool for content creators to earn money from their videos. By enabling automatic monetization, optimizing video content for ads, and promoting videos on other platforms, you can maximize your YouTube earnings and increase your revenue potential. Keep experimenting with different strategies, stay consistent with your content creation, and watch your earnings grow. Happy earning!